If your Goodman AC's fan is running but not producing cold air, the system isn't cooling due to a breakdown in the vapor compression cycle. The vapor compression cycle is how your AC cools air. Refrigerant absorbs indoor heat and releases it outdoors. When the fan runs without cold air, this cycle has failed. Low refrigerant levels, usually from leaks, prevent heat absorption in the system. A faulty compressor can't pressurize the refrigerant, stopping the cooling process while the fan continues. Clogged filters or dirty coils restrict airflow, mimicking the no cold air symptom. Faulty capacitors, relays, or wiring can disable the compressor or evaporator fan. Sometimes thermostat wiring or calibration issues cause the fan to run without activating cooling mode. Regular maintenance, such as changing filters every 1 to 3 months, can prevent 70% of these issues. First, check your thermostat settings. Ensure it's set to cool and the temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Next, inspect the air filter and coils for blockage. Clean or replace dirty filters. Listen to see if the compressor is making noise when it should be on. If problems persist, call a professional who can use tools to check refrigerant pressure and electrical components. Refrigerant recharge can cost $150 to $400, and compressor replacement can be $800 to $1,500. DIY refrigerant work is unsafe and can worsen leaks, so professional assistance is crucial.